Have you ever heard someone say, what if this token goes to $1 or XRP is going to $10,000? This sounds exciting, right? But there's one big thing that most people overlook: market cap. In this video, I'll break down why market cap matters more than price and show you how to set realistic expectations for your favorite tokens. So first, what is market cap and how do we calculate it? Before we dive into these tools, let's talk about market cap, why it matters, and what it is. Market cap, or market capitalization, is a way to measure the total value of a stock or crypto. You calculate it by using this one simple formula: price per token times circulating supply equals market cap. So if a token costs $1 and there are 1 billion tokens in circulation, the market cap is 1 billion. It's a quick way to understand how big or valuable a token is compared to others. That's why a token's price doesn't tell the full story. Market cap does. For example, you can have two tokens with completely different prices, but they can still have the same market cap. Now, let's hop into the computer so I can show you where to find this information. Stick around until the end and I'll show you a cool calculator that lets you compare tokens like Pepe to Bitcoin, revealing what the price would be if it hit the same market cap. Let's dive into it. Go ahead and hop over to CoinGecko.com. This is what I use to check all the market caps of the cryptos in order. You can see here you have Bitcoin at #1 spot at a 1.8 trillion at the time of filming this, and Ethereum is at a $395 billion market cap, and so on. So you could go down here. That's where you find the market cap here. This 24-hour volume is just the trading volume within 24 hours. Let's go over here to Goon. Goon's really simple because it has its total supply already out. You can see down here, right here, we have our total supply and the circulating supplies. That means there are no other tokens that are going to be issued and all the tokens are already out. So you can see here, our market cap is not even at 1 million currently. It's actually at just 664,000. Because that it has a 1 billion supply, that means at a 1 billion market cap, each token will be worth $1. Currently, the token is sitting at just fractions of a penny. If we get up to a 1 billion market cap, each token would be $1. That's pretty simple. And then if you're at a 2 billion market cap, then $2 per token. That's why Goon's pretty easy, because it has a solid 1 billion out. Now, I was emphasizing the circulating supply because you want to know this, because there are some tokens that are not fully out with their total supply yet. For instance, let's go over here to Chainlink. Chainlink has a current or a circulating supply of 631 million currently. Okay, there are tokens that are still being issued and it will stop at 1 billion here. And you could kind of see how this inflation works by what you can do is go to max and we can look at the market cap at the all-time high right here. Our market cap was 22 billion, okay, on May 9th, 2021. So what we can do here is we can actually determine what the price would be at now if we had that same all-time high. So if we had 22 billion within our market cap currently, what we would want to do here, we would take the market cap. Let's go ahead and we'll, so 22 billion. And then instead of how we did our other formula where we multiply. This one we're gonna divide. So it's gonna be market cap divided by the circulating supply. So we just divide that. 0.9972. Okay, and there we go. You see there? On May 9th, 2021, the market cap was 22 billion. And we could go over to the price here to see what the price was. The price was $51 at that market cap. But now with its current circulating supply, we would be at $34 here. That just kind of shows you that tokens are being issued still. Just keep that in mind when you're paying attention to market cap, okay? There's some of these little things that you should understand. And this, because of this got me not wanting to invest into Doge anymore, because technically Doge has an unlimited supply. It's constantly being inflated. So see, you could go over here, you could check the market cap of Doge. Watch this. I'll do max. At the all-time high, last bull run, market cap was 88 billion, okay? Watch this. Let's go ahead. We were at 88 billion. There we go, 88 billion. And then we'll check what the price was for Doge. We go to price, 68 cents. At $88 billion, or 88 billion market cap, the price was 68 cents. Let's divide that by the current circulating supply, which is 147,300, which is 000. There we go. And look at that. What did we have? We had 68 cents here. Now, if we had that same market cap for Doge, you'd be at 59 cents. Just keep that in mind when you're looking at market caps. And also, just don't think the lower the market cap, the more you're going to win. Think of it like there is more potential for these lower market cap coins. Like, for instance, here, let's go to my portfolio. See, go down here and see you have some lower market caps, but these things they're a lot more volatile because they are very low market cap. I like to think of it like the lower the market cap, the more riskier it is, but the more risk, the more potential gains. Just think of it like that. Let's see. Also, just another example, what we can do here is here. Look at here at Stellar and Polkadot. Okay. They both are sitting at a 10 billion market cap. And look at the token prices. One's at 35 cents. One's at $6.86. They're technically the same value right now, but they have two different prices. Don't think just because the token is cheap that you're going to get more gains, or it's going to actually get to Bitcoin's prices. That's not the case, okay? That's pretty much the things that you should know about market cap, and I hope that these give you a better decision making when you're choosing your tokens. If you're trying to trade, I do have a word from our sponsor, and we'll hop into that right now. Before we dive in, I want to take a moment to thank BloFin for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in trading crypto, BloFin has partnered with me to offer you 20% off your trading fees. And that's a great way to save money while making the most out of your trades. Just use my referral link code EXPLORE20 when you sign up and start trading smarter today. Check out the link in the description below. And if you're looking to learn how to trade, you can also sign up for Finova in the referral link in the description. It'll not only help you grow as a trader, but also support the channel. And for that, I thank you deeply. Now let's get right back into it. You need to keep in mind that market cap does not mean there's that much money inside of that token, okay? For the other tokens, the billion-dollar market caps, you really need to add up where all the liquidity is within the exchanges, in the DEX and all that. This is an easier example. I just went over to DEX Screener over here. This is a sort of a site where you can find new tokens before they're even listed on exchanges. This is straight off the blockchain here. We have Brett 2.0, which is at a $2.5 million market cap. Look over here. See that right there? $2.5 million market cap. But see this liquidity here? This liquidity is locked up in pools. That means, you know, like sometimes you'll see these influencers show their portfolio and it shows, you know, they got $3 million or something like that. But if they wanted to pull out, like let's say if you had $3 million of this, okay? If you wanted to pull out, or if everyone wanted to pull out, there can only be $185,000 that can be pulled out of Brett 2.0. You'll see those accounts that always flash stuff, but really what you want to investigate is liquidity. If you're getting into some of these earlier tokens, make sure you check the liquidity, okay? The market cap does not mean that you're going to get that much out of your token, okay? And I've actually seen some tokens where they'll mess with their numbers. They have a crazy market cap, but there's no liquidity, or there's only like $10,000 of liquidity in it. And a lower liquidity you'll experience a lot more volatility, because if they sell, think if they sold half, you know, or if they took $100,000 out of this, that market cap is going to drop by half, leading somewhere down there. Just keep that in mind when you're going after these smaller tokens. Okay, and my last thing that I wanted to show you, and this is pretty cool. This is a cool tool. It's called Market Cap Of, and you can actually use this for stocks as well. So it's not just crypto. What you can do is you can select two different assets. Let's go ahead. Watch, we'll select Goon here. Oh, you know what? Okay, actually, Goon's not on there. What I'm doing is I'm actually copying Goon's contract address, and then I'm gonna put it right here. There we go. There it is. Okay, Goon. This tool will compare two different tokens and show you what the price would be if it reached that market cap. Because Goon's kind of in that meme token realm, let's just go to the king of the memes, which is Dogecoin currently. Okay. There you go. If Goon had the same market cap as Doge, each token would be worth $45, which is a 68,000% gain here, which is pretty crazy. I don't really expect it to go that high, but honestly, you do not know. You know, really, Goon's community, they're really going after that 1 billion. That's going to be that first leg. Once we get through that leg, I mean, you know, who knows? This bull run might go pretty crazy. So yeah, this is a cool tool. You can even, you know, here, let's just do something crazy. Let's just say Goon becomes the new Bitcoin and reaches Bitcoin's market cap. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Whenever I select that, that's weird. Maybe it just broke it. It already went through. Haha, there we go. Goon let's just say for whatever reason, flips Bitcoin or gets to Bitcoin's market cap currently, each token, look at this, each token currently is worth fractions of a penny. Each token will be worth $1,878. But yeah, this is a cool tool. You could play around with it, pick any token you like. See, they got all these tokens. And yeah, it's just a cool little tool if you want to also compare, what your token would be at if it reached, so-and-so market cap. Other than that, if you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like and a subscribe. But other than that, clear skies.